everyone, Noah from the Flatline Company, just doing a quick assembly guide for our backplates and side clips. So as you can see, you can line up those two heat inserts, grab the included screws and the Allen key there, you can see beside me, and you just kind of want to set the screw a little bit into your backplate. And then once you figure out exactly where the screw is going to go, you line it up and screw it in. The important thing here is you don't want it actually too tight, just because it can end up splitting the plastic. But you have to do that pretty hard to have that happen. As you can see, just letting it feed. Having a bit of a butterfingers today, sorry about that. And then tighten it up. Now moving on to the side clips, they're universal, so as you can see, this is the same piece, the blank one, and you just line them up so that the little dimples touch each other, and then line up the hole for the heat insert. Like that, push it in, it should stay on its own, and then you grab your second screw, and just do the same thing again. Might take a little first couple turns to get it to seat properly, just because the plastic needs to get worn in a little bit. But same kind of deal, you don't want it too tight, just enough to hold it. And there you go, there's your assembled MedicMate. Same thing can be done with the IV backplate or the Velcro backplate, same connection points. Just showing that the other universal side clips do the same. So whatever setup you want, you can use.